Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Arun Maira, Member, Planning Commission, Government of India. Mr. Neil Wilson, Executive Director and Partner, PricewaterhouseCoopers in India. Mr. C.N. Raghupati, Chairman, CII Subcommittee on IT for Domestic Industry and the Head of the India Business and Vice President for Infosys Limited. Mr. Shibu Lal is on his way. He'll be joining us any moment now. And I think everybody knows Mr. Shibu Lal. He's the Managing Director and CEO of Infosys Limited. Delegates, friends from the media. On behalf of CII and on my personal behalf, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the second edition of the CII Industry IT Summit. My special welcome to Mr. Arun Maira, Member, Planning Commission, for accepting our invitation to join today at this important summit. Mr. Maira, you've been a constant support to CII, and your presence here is of great value to all of us. My special welcome also to Mr. Raghupati and Neil. Let me tell you the relevance and why CII started this Industry IT Summit. The Indian IT industry has grown manifold in size and matured in terms of service delivery capability and footprint over the past decade. The Indian IT industry is now at an inflection point and faces a unique opportunity to enhance its role as a full-service, value-adding partner to the domestic industry as well. There was a significant headroom in the addressable IT adoption opportunity for India Incorporated, and there are sizable untapped opportunities across a wide spectrum of verticals. Also, the Indian IT industry is favorably positioned to benefit from its established delivery capabilities, which bear a key influence on user industry's decision to adopt IT. The first edition of the Industry IT Summit with the theme IT for India, New Horizons and New Opportunities was kicked off in 18th March 2013. The 2013 summit focused on the role of the IT functions within end-user industries that evolved from order takers to transformative business partners as IT adoption picked up. During the event, CII came out with a report that outlined an 8-point action plan to ensure active collaboration of key stakeholders, end-user industries, IT providers, and the government for greater IT adoption in India. As a follow-up to the first Industry IT Summit, CII has taken several initiatives during the past 1 year. A national CIO forum was set up in 2013, which comprises of CIOs from across the manufacturing and services landscape. The first CIO Summit, a conglomeration of CIOs, was held on the 16th of December 2013 at the Hotel Lalit in Mumbai. The CIO Summit 2013 explored and deliberated on how CIOs can leverage the next generation technology to improve outreach, make CIO's role more relevant to the boardroom, technology enablement, and using innovation for creating competitive advantage. The CIO Forum has become an effective community that is increasingly becoming critical to help develop and transform industry and for its growth. Enhancing IT adoption in MSMEs was another major recommendation of the Industry Summit in 2013. I'm happy to inform you that CII, through its network of state and zonal offices, organized 10 IT for SME roadshows in Tier 2 cities across the country, reaching out to over 1,000 SMEs. This effort was further supplemented by an online master classes and webinars organized during the year. 2 special reports targeting user industry, focusing on cloud adoption in MSMEs and running IT as a business, was released in 2013. In this background of intensive outreach initiatives taken by CII, we are happy to organize the second edition of the Industry IT Summit to take review and chart a way forward. Ladies and gentlemen, India aims to create 100 million jobs in manufacturing sector by 2022 and touch $1 trillion by raising its share of GDP to 25% from its current 16%. While being cautiously optimistic, the manufacturing sector is currently using this period of comparative, sluggish activity to realign their business models and prepare for the future. At the same time, driven by domestic consumption, the Indian economy is poised to grow at a fast rate in the coming years. Technology will play an important role in meeting these evolving needs of the Indian consumers. It is imperative that end-user industries realign their business models and continuously invest in new technologies to provide innovative value proposition to their customers. IT will also be a significant driver in the economic growth of our country due to its effect on increasing productivity and enabling innovation. As the four interconnected technology megatrends, mobility, social, big data, and cloud, dominate the next decade, the IT industry has a compelling opportunity to bring a paradigm shift in the way technology gets adopted by businesses across verticals at lower cost and scale. IT adoption across end-user industries is not the same. Some sectors, like banking, telecom, and insurance, have leveraged IT across their business functions, including the back-end organizational processes, customer-facing activities, and revenue-generating initiatives, and are at an advanced stage in IT adoption. Sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, infrastructure, and retail are relatively low IT spenders currently, but are expected to significantly increase their expenditures on this front in the future. As organizations move forward in achieving their mission, the CXO will play a large role in their success. The goal of becoming a strategic asset to enterprise cannot happen overnight and should be thoroughly mapped out in 5-year strategic plan. The transformation possibilities are really endless. Speed will be the new business driver. The CII PwC report on driving growth in Indian industry, unlocking the transformational value with technology, is going to be launched today. And it explores the ground realities in terms of the role and influence of IT in the manufacturing and infrastructure sector. We have an excellent lineup of speakers from the industry who will deliberate on the adoption of technology and how the adoption of technology will bring about the much-needed boost with anticipation of future needs and capacity, coupled with environmental concerns, skilled resources availability in a highly dynamic market environment. The 2-day Industry IT Summit will deliberate on the role of information technology as a catalyst for innovation and business transformation, preparing an IT strategy blueprint for manufacturing and infrastructure, the road ahead, and bringing in change with emerging technologies. I am confident that this summit will answer some of the important questions, such as what are the requirements of end-user industries, how end users in manufacturing and infrastructure sector evolving, what are the IT providers doing to target the manufacturing and infrastructure market, what would be the role of government in enabling IT adoption in India and increasingly the domestic market, what action should all stakeholders, end-user industries, IT service providers, and the government take to effectively leverage IT for India's growth. With these opening remarks, may I now invite Mr. Neil Wilson, the Executive Director and Partner, PricewaterhouseCoopers India, to deliver his theme address.